Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video, I will teach you how to add a watercolor painting effect in your Canva photo. So let's say that we have a photo a while ago, let's say for this one. In this photo, we can just zoom it out. Then we can go to apps and search Art Avatar. We click on Art Avatar, then open. Just wait for it to load because it's a pretty big one. So generate the image with Art Avatar. So Art Avatar will generate your image. It will take you like 30 to 40 seconds at most. So let's just wait for the image to generate. So Art Avatar is an AI advanced tool, can be seen in Canva. So here we select replace the image. There we go. So this is the watercolor image. Or we can also make some changes, say BG remover, or then go to template elements, watermark, watercolor. So we can just find a watercolor here. So maybe this one or a blue one. Just put this in front. There we go. So the blue one in the back, we just put it, and this blue one can be put here. So we can make it bigger so that it looks like more of a watercolor. So there we go. That's how you add a watercolor effect in your Canva photo. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this page and channel so that you could learn more Canva tips. And off to the next one.